Good morning, student. In this video, we will study about the types of resource. In last video, I explained you that there are two types of resource. One is the natural resource and second one is the human-made resource. Natural resources are those resources which are provided by the nature, which are provided by the God to human being for their own development, for their growth and for their own improvement. In natural resource, we also further divided it in two parts. The natural resource can divide in two types. First is the renewable resource and second one is the non-renewable resource. Renewable resources, what are the definition of renewable resource? Dear students, renewable resources are those resources which we can recreate, regenerate, rework, recycle, reproduce. All these categories comes under the definition of natural resource. And non-natural resource, non-renewable resource, non-renewable resources are those resources which we cannot recreate, regenerate, rework, reuse, recycle, recycle. These resources comes under the definition non-renewable resource. In our book, further renewable resources divided in two parts. First is the continuous or flow resource. First is the continuous or flow resource, and second one is the resource, renewable resource divided according to biological. Continuous resource. Continuous resources which flow in natural way. For example, water. For example, air. All these type of resource will consider in a continuous flow resource, and all these are the part of the renewable resource. Second one is the biologically divide. Natural resource divide according to biological. Two type of biological divide. First is the natural vegetation and second one is the wildlife. Dear student, again I am saying that natural resources divide in two parts, renewable and the non-renewable. Renewable resource further divide continuous flow resource, and second one is the biological resource. Continuous resource, example air, water, and biological resource further divided in two types, two parts. First is the natural vegetation and second the wildlife. The question comes, sir, what is the definition, what is the meaning of natural vegetation? Dear student, natural vegetations are those vegetation. Natural vegetation are those vegetation which produce by own without the interference of human being. Again I am saying, natural vegetation are those vegetation which produce by own without the interference of human being. Many times we also see in the rainy season, everywhere greenery we can see. So this greenery is the part of the natural vegetation. And the second example is the wildlife species. This is also the example of natural resource in the part of biological. And the second one is the non-renewable resource. Non-renewable resource we can divide it two parts. First is the recyclable and the second is the non-recyclable. Again saying better, resource on the basis of non-renewable we can divide in two parts. First is the recyclable and the second one is the non-recyclable. Non-recyclable that we cannot again make, convert to reuse. For example, fossil fuel. Millions years before, the things which dig under the earth and the biological process continue, and after that now we find it is the example of the fossil fuel. It is not possible for us it is not possible for us to convert the resource convert the good in the fossil fuel. Okay. The second thing is the second type of resource was the human resource. Dear student, those type of resource which are made by human, those type of resource which are made by human are comes under the human made resource. Buildings, industries, any goods with the use of techniques are comes under the human made resource. A question come in our exam, where very most important question for the CBSE, that human is also an important resource. Explain this statement. I am not saying that human made resource. I am saying human is also an important resource. Explain this statement. Yes, beta. Human is most important resource because all the resources are useless. Because all the resources are useless if there is no human. Why? Because human convert all the resource. Human convert all the resource with the use of techniques. And without human, not a single source. Without human, not a single source can convert into resource. It is the only human who applies his or her brain and convert all the sources, convert all the things in a resource, and that thing is comes under the human resource. So we can say human is also very important resource, and without human we cannot convert any type of sources into resource. So human is also an important resource. Okay, in this topic we explain the type of resource. There are two type of resource: nature or natural resource, human and human made resource. Natural resource further divide renewable and non-renewable, and the human resource dividation two part: structure and quality and quantity. Human resource. First, in structure or institution will consider in human made resource, because these structure, these institution, institute, organization are made by the human. So these all the resources will count under the human made resource. And second one is the quality and quantity. Quality means use of techniques, use of brain, and the quantity means how many, according to numbers, how many people convert a particular sources into resources, they will comes under the quality and quantity. Dear student, the next topic is what are the classification of resource. What are the classification of resource? Dear student, according to classification of resource, there are four types. According to classification, this type of resource, the first comes under on the basis of origin. In second, they come under on the basis of usability. Third comes under on the basis of ownership, and the fourth comes under on the basis status of development. In next video we will explain, we will try to understand all type of classification of resource on the basis of this topic. Okay, thank you very much.